Most useful dialogues for fluent English. What is your name? My name is Sarah. Where are you going? I am going to the office. Do you like tea? Yes, I really enjoy tea. Where do you come from? I am from USA. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Where do you live? I live in Singapore. What are you doing now? I am watching TV. Are you free today? Yes, I am free today. Do you work from home? Yes, I work from home. What do you want now? I want some water. Are you going to school? Yes, I am going to school today. Do you like this movie? Yes, I like this movie. Can I sit here? Yes, you can sit here. Is your brother at home? Yes, he is at home. What time is it now? It's 5 o'clock. Are you feeling hungry? Yes, I am hungry. What are you looking for? I am looking for my keys. Is it raining outside? Yes, it's raining. What are you eating? I am eating bread. Do you read books? Yes, I read every day. Where is your phone? It's on the desk. Are you coming with me? Yes, I will come with you. Do you like English? Yes, I really like English. What do you study? I study science. Can you help me? Yes, I will help you. What food do you like most? I really like biryani. Is this your bag? Yes, that's my bag. Are you busy right now? Yes, I am a little busy. Can I call you later? Sure, call me later. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango.